Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, welcome to my channel for the first time. Today I have a video about how I make my stickers at home manually. And this video could be helpful for anybody who wants to make stickers but doesn't have a machine. And anybody who I recommend it for anybody who like doesn't sell that many stickers because it's a little more time consuming. Obviously the first thing I have to do is digitize my artwork. And if you're not sure how to do that, you can watch my video on how I scan my artwork, including large scale stuff. I currently photograph my work to digitize it rather than scanning, and you can do that with a DSLR camera, or I guess these days you can use your smartphone, but I prefer my Canon camera. Today we're going to be making stickers of my Mac Miller painting. So it's already saved to my laptop. And after I open him up, I'm going to make a new document that's 8.5 by 11 inches because that's what size my sticker paper is. Um, the hardest part of this process is just cutting out the background. Well, at least for me. Obviously, you don't have to do this if you want everything in your sticker, but I want mine to just be Malcolm and the balloons with no blue in the background. So I'm gonna cut all of that blue out by using the magic wand and selecting everything blue and deleting it. There's probably an easier way to do this. If you know it, by all means, do that. I'm known for doing things the hard way, and I'm stuck in my ways. So, yeah, if you're like a Photoshop pro and you know what you're doing, go ahead and do that. So anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit, get rid of all those little blue marks on the side. So my next step is duplicating the layer onto the blank document I just created. It's likely gonna be big as hell. Yeah. So I can see now that there are still some remnants of blue, so I'm gonna just make those disappear real quick. And then I resize. I was gonna make them a regular size, which for me is like 2 by 2.5 inches. But then I changed my mind and made them kind of big. So um, I made them big enough to fit 2 in 2 rows. So just remember, this is your sticker sheet. So however big you make them on here is how big they're gonna look on that sheet of paper. And yeah, sometimes I tweak a few things like the brightness or warmness and coolness of it because with a particular paper I'm using, they can come out kind of dark. Um, okay, then I'll save those as a PNG. So now the fun part, I get to print. I'm not going to go over my printer settings again because I've done that in detail in my video about how I make my prints. But feel free to pause and note what all of my settings are if you want. I don't know if you have the same printer or if you already know what color settings you need to have for your prints, then just go with that. Um, all I will say is make sure that you're printing on the right size paper. And here I just want to show you guys a comparison to the glossy stickers versus the matte stickers and the difference in the paper and what it does to the color and vibrance. And now the painful part. I've done this enough times that I can get through it pretty quickly, but if you're new with this, definitely take it slow because it will probably be more difficult than you're expecting, but you'll get the hang of it eventually. I usually cut with the paper laying down so I don't have to handle it so much, but for the sake of the video, I'm holding it up. I guess I probably could have laid it down and just faced my camera downwards. But anyway, I think cutting a smooth white border around the sticker gives it the best appearance. Plus, if the image has sharp edges from when you were cutting it in Photoshop, they won't be noticeable with the rounded border. Another method for doing this is to just cut a huge undefined shape around the artwork and then cut out the extra parts afterwards if you find it kind of difficult to hold the paper and cut at the same time. And there he is. This is what all of my stickers look like when I finish them. Let me know how you like this tutorial. Leave a comment and tell me how you make your stickers or where you get your stickers made. If you want to share that information, I don't know. I'm not going to use it. I'm just saying. Just trying to be inclusive here. Let me know if you cut them out manually like I do. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye. Have the outline of the face, I can place the features more accurately. And to do that, I draw 4 guidelines. So this is the part that I kind of like took from, like, I guess how you typically learn how to draw faces, but I don't think I do it exactly the same way, but